How to replace peristaltic pump or the internal hose. Counterclockwise rotation peristaltic pump. Then you can remove the peristaltic pump for replacement if you want to replace the internal hose. And then we can remove this connector. Pull the other side, we can take out the hose. When we installation it, we need to thread the hose through these two holes first, and then use a tool to press the hose inside. When we installation it back, we need to install clockwise. Clockwise to tighten it. Installation is complete.